Hi there, it's Adam here from Leisure Outlet. All I've got here is a Cadac Carry Chef 2 barbecue from Cadac. Just going to show you very quickly how to attach the hose and regulator kit and the gas cartridge. This is an EN471 Cadac hose and regulator kit, and this is a compatible gas EN417 cartridge from Coleman. Both available at leisureoutlet.com. First of all, turn the barbecue upside down. You've got a lock tighten arrow there, so it's an anti-clockwise thread to lock the hose and regulator kit onto the bottom of the barbecue. Just thread that on, turning the screw anti-clockwise. Now what I like to do at this stage is use a 17mm spanner just to lock on the hose. That ensures there's going to be no gas escaping from the hose and the barbecue. Next stage is to thread on the gas bottle to the regulator. You can make sure that's nice and secure. So what I've done there is I've connected the hose and regulator kit, and I've used a 17mm spanner just to tighten the hose. And there is your barbecue ready to use.